What is good, Ape Nation? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one I'm going to be talking about the one and only AMC stock and why I believe AMC is set for a very big run in the upcoming days. I'm also going to give you guys my price prediction for tomorrow, talk about where I see AMC going and what you should be expecting. Now, I do want to apologize. I do have a bit of a sore throat right now, so I do apologize if I sound kind of cracked up. But anyways, before I get into details though, I have to mention that I'm not a financial planner, so don't take this as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. It not only benefits me, it benefits the entire ape community as a whole. And the last things, if you guys can, please check out the Moomoo link down below and in the description. If you do sign up for Moomoo and deposit $100, you're not only going to qualify for up to 5 free stocks, each worth up to $3,500, but you're also going to get a free NEO share. So if you want a free NEO share, check out the offer down below. With that out of the way, let's get on with the video. So looking at AMC, it's down about 2.48% for the day. Still looking pretty healthy because look, we are in a very good opportunity. I don't like to look at red days as a curse. I look at them as an opportunity because we are near the bottom. And I do think AMC is going to stay in this channel, maybe around the the $14.50 level of support is going to hold up pretty well. So I'm anticipating that as it holds up, and you guys can see it like right over here, as it holds up, the only thing that there's almost nothing that can keep this thing going below that unless something crazy happens that causes the market to like drop really hard. But I highly doubt that that's going to really happen. Like, what's going to surprise the market when we're already this low? It's very unlikely. So what I anticipate is I see a lot of green coming up. And when I talk about green, I'm not just talking about tomorrow. Tomorrow, 450 is probably going to hold. Looking at some technical indicators, I can actually bring these up to give you guys a better understanding. Let's look at the 5-minute candles. And the reason why I'm doing this is it's going to help you better understand how this thing's going to move. So we dropped, right, way down here. 450 held up. We started ascending. We got a buy signal from the super trend. Then we got a sell and a buy. And we started kind of going up. Overall, we were in the red. But we got that right over here. We got that 1348 EMA crossover. We also got the MACD flipping with the 9-day moving average right here. And we also saw RSI kind of hike a little bit at 59.57. So what I anticipate is we're going to trade within this channel and slowly ascend. So tomorrow could be maybe, it could really go either way. I don't see much tomorrow. Maybe we'll be approaching 1560, closing around there. Nothing too significant, right? It's going into tomorrow. Maybe we're going to run up a little bit to the 16s, drop a little bit, and close around 1580, I would anticipate. Because I think the shorts are trying to bring this down. You can see right now there are about, and let me actually look up AMC first, but looking at AMC, guys, there's some crazy things that happen from the data. And what I noticed is the fact that right now there are only 150,000 shares available to borrow. So I would like to see what happens when this gets closer to zero because the fee is going to start going up. But this is one of the things you'll notice. Okay, look at this. This is the fee to borrow AMC shares. It looks all glitched up because it went crazy, crazy high in the past. Before AMC had that run up in May, the fee went all the way up to 82%. Then the day after, it went up to 75%. You guys see that? And it's currently at 1%. And then you guys could see that because the fee started going down, there's so many shares available to borrow. Before we would see like 300,000, 200,000, 1.4 million, 1.5 million. Then we started seeing 4, 5, 6 million, 7 million, 4 million, 5 million, 10 million one day. Right here, the 2nd of February, 10 million. They're taking advantage of this and printing fake shares to try to bring AMC down. They've been causing it to close below max pain for so long, and I do expect that to happen again. I think max pain's at 17 for the week, so we're probably going to see that. So going into tomorrow, although I see some sideways action, why am I so bullish? Here's the reason why. I noticed that the bears are getting exhausted because we're starting to see a limit to how many shares are available, at least as of right now. And on top of that, the rates are going to start going up. The federal funds rate is going to be risen. by the Federal Reserve, charging banks higher interest rates. And as a result, the cost to borrow money in America is going to start going up. I know that because the inflationary data was showing CPI at 7.9%. It came out today. 7.9% inflation. That's not good. And I know the Fed is going to take action. The FOMC meeting happens to be on the 15th through the 16th of March, next week. I believe that's our catalyst. So what this is going to do is, when the hedge funds and the shorts, they manipulate AMC with the shares available to borrow, that's going to start going down because the fee is going to go up. The fee goes up because the cost to borrow these shares is going to go up too. It's more expensive to borrow money. Remember that. So AMC is going to start running up very, very soon, in my opinion. If I could draw out the charts, and let me try doing this for you guys. I'm going to zoom out a little. Hold on. Give me 1 second. I'm using 2-hour candles for you guys. This is what I would expect for AMC. AMC is probably going to run up like this. Drop. Then interest rates are announced that they're going to rise at a certain rate. AMC is going to rally off of that, in my opinion, perhaps next week. It might get rejected around 18 or 19. After the rejection, it drops, kind of like this. And then it's going to trade sideways for a few weeks before we slowly start to run up. And I think that's going to be the catalyst to push the IWM up. And we're going to see AMC back in the 20s. And by April, it's going to keep on running and running and running and running, going on like that. So I expect a lot of green coming out in these next few weeks, guys. And maybe it'll take a few weeks for something like this to start, but I do expect that to start coming. And then going into the future, I see us breaking past 22. We're probably going to just keep going and going and going. So I'm very, very bullish. We're just waiting for rates to be risen, as there's so much uncertainty in the market that's driving this fear to cause things to drop. Anyways, that's what I have for this one. Tomorrow it might be sideways. You might be scared, but I'm still very, very bullish for the next upcoming weeks. I have not lost any faith, and the shorts have not covered. Nothing has changed, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. EMC to the moon, and peace out.